Stop ignoring that little blue ring at the top of your chats. Today we are breaking down Meta AI in WhatsApp, everything it can do and how to use it. Seriously, Meta just quietly turned your basic messaging app into a super powered AI sidekick, and most people are only using it to ask dumb trivia questions. Here's how you actually use it to make your life easier. So, I'm going to be using the desktop WhatsApp application in my Windows, but you can use your mobile application as well. It is similar, the functionality says the same. Let's talk how we can access it. So, in your desktop application, you'll see in the sidebar there's this Meta AI. Just click on that, it will open up a chat right here. Similarly, in your mobile application, right above your add new chat button, there's a symbol for your Meta AI. Just click on that, it will open up a chat for Meta AI. Now, that's the first and the easiest way to access it. But if you are trying to use it within your chats, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is type at the red Meta AI and you can literally tag it right into your text. Now you can ask Meta to do any task for you, like Meta, can you find the best beaches to visit in North Goa? If I hit send, then Meta AI will give me the reply for the question that was asked. And as you can see, we are still inside my chat, which is with my friend and not just Meta AI. So it's not necessary for you to always converse with Meta AI in the dedicated chat only, but you can use it anywhere and everywhere on your entire application. Now let's talk about what it can actually do. First off, instant image generation. If you tell Meta AI to create an image, like check this out. I said, hey, can you create an image of cat wearing a Batman suit with the moon in the background? It will take a few minutes and it will give you a response. So just wait for it. So here's the response that I've got, and despite the fact that it's technically fictional, it does generate an image. Not only can it generate images, but if you upload any image and ask it to change the background or edit it, like I'm about to upload this image and ask it to turn the background to black color. So this was my prompt and it's generating the image right now. And there we go. We have our updated image with the black background instead of white. So you now know what to do. You can even ask it to expand your landscape photo into a full vertical portrait and stuff like that. Next up, if you are a little lazy or you don't have your hands free to type in your text, you can even go right ahead, give it a voice instruction, and it will reply to you. Like, check this out. Can you find me the recipe for pan fried gyozas? And I've sent it over and got my recipe back just like that. So I didn't have to type in my text or anything, and it understood and gave me a reply. It's perfect for when you're hands free while you're cooking or driving. And the third use case, and it saves massive amount of time, is that you can ask Meta AI to summarize your chats. Like if you're in a group chat with dozens of missed messages or got someone texting you and sending you multiple messages, all you need to do is tag Meta AI and ask it to summarize the chat. Right now it won't summarize any chat because we are in the Meta AI chat itself, but if you'd like, I can go to one of my friends' chat and then ask Meta to summarize the chat, and it gave me the summary of what I just asked it before this message. Not only that, you can use Meta AI to draft you an email or a message for sending it over to someone like your boss if you're asking for leave or something like that. All you need to do is give it a rough draft and make you sound more professional before you send it over to anyone else. And apart from all these use cases, it can be used for normal questions, any research purposes, because most of the time you must be talking inside your messenger application itself, and if you have any question, instead of going on to Google search, you can ask Meta AI right in your application. But the biggest concern is, what about your privacy? If you don't want Meta saving your AI data, WhatsApp now has incognito chats with Meta AI. It uses a secure processing system that completely wipes your conversation the moment you close the chat. So, go open your WhatsApp right now, test out the image tool, and let me know which feature you're going to use the most. Drop a like if you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.